Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for my no buy, which used to be a complete no buy, and a month ago I changed it to a replacement only no buy. I am at 13 months on my no buy. The first 12, like I said, was a complete no buy. The only thing I purchased in that 12 months were cotton rounds, and I felt really good about that. I will have my year-long no buy linked up here somewhere if I remember to link it in the cards. I'm not always good about linking things, but I will try to remember to do that. So this year, for July or June till next June, June 18 to June 19, I am trying to do a no buy with replacement only because I still have way too much stuff, and that's not going to change anytime soon. I'm panning like crazy because I want to get it all used up, but I'm not really a declutter person unless, you know, a friend or somebody wants something that I have and I'm willing to give it up. You know, that's about the only way I'll declutter, is if something has a very good home. And I have done that a little bit here and there, but nothing drastic. So really it's dependent on me panning and using my products up, which I'm doing. I'm panning like mad, as most of you probably already know that. And it is keeping me focused. It is really keeping me focused on my no buy. I have a lot of little games that I play with myself and things that I tell myself and do to kind of trick myself into not wanting to buy. And I have done a no buy tips and tricks video, and if I remember, again, I will link that up in the cards somewhere because apparently people like that video. It was very long and my camera was not cooperative, unfortunately, when I was filming it, so it was a little choppier than I normally like a video to be. But there is a lot of good information, so if you're interested in watching my tips and tricks, I will have that linked somewhere, either up in the cards or down in the description box. So my no buy is still going. I'm at 13 months, which is really good. At least I think it's good. And I have replaced some things, which I did a 2,000 points Ulta haul for just replacement products. And other than that, I haven't purchased anything. I've kind of been tempted here or there because when I'm not super strict with myself, it's kind of a free-for-all for me. Usually I've got like that binge mentality. It's all or nothing. And so I've kind of been interested here and there, but not seriously interested, if you know what I mean. So I'm still going strong, and I feel like I can really keep going. I can't say I can do a whole year. I'm going to try, but the first year, I don't want to say it was easier, but my motivation was a lot stronger because, I don't know, it was so complete. And it was like, you know how they have those old potato chip commercials, you can't eat just one? That's the way I am with buying things. I can't buy just one. So if I let myself buy something that isn't a necessity or something I feel really has to be in my collection, then, you know, if I let myself buy one, then I'm going to buy a lot. That's just my personality. So I am attempting to stay good for the next year. If I can get to June 23rd of 2019, I will be a very happy girl. Anyway, I know there's a lot of people that are doing no buys right now. Let me know what works for you, and, you know, let's support each other because no buys can get hard. And, you know, if we're supporting each other, I think we can all get through it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.